A few weeks ago, we showed you a feature in Service Autopilot that was segmenting your existing client list into very specific groups of customers using client filters and then sending them email marketing based on your results. And I want to continue in that vein today based on some feedback that we got. People really liked that video and want to see more examples of how you can use that tool. So this week I want to show you a couple of newer filters that we've added that you may have not seen up to now and show you how you can use them. So let's dive into the system, and I am at my client list under the CRM menu. So from here, the first filter that I want to show you is called Service-Date Range. So I'll click Add Filter, and we'll scroll down and find it here, Service-Date Range. And what this filter allows me to do is find specific customers that have had a service completed, a specific service or a combination of services within a certain date range. So for example, I could find all of my customers that had received lawn mowing from me in 2014, or I could find all of my customers that had received a pest control service for me in the first quarter of 2015. A number of different examples, and by itself, that might not be a super powerful tool, but if you combine it with other filters, then you can really do some cool stuff with it. So let's take the example of wanting to find people that have had a certain service in the first quarter of the year, but have not yet had it in the second quarter of the year. And so for my date range, I'll go ahead and just select, well, let's select a service first. I'll just use an example here of repair flat rate. And we'll set our date range to be January 1st of 2015. And let's just take it all the way to the end of May of 2015. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to add this with another filter that is basically the exact same thing, the date range of service, but it's going to be looking for customers that haven't had that service. So I'll click Add Filter, and we'll scroll down. And we're going to use this new filter called Service Never Scheduled Date Range. So what I'll do here is select the exact same service, repair flat rate, but now I'll set it to the quarter past May. So I'll click my calendar and let's select June 1st. And then in this example, we can just leave it at December 3rd, that's fine. But you can set your specific date ranges. And now when I click search, it returns 5 customers to me. And now I can send them information about needing to schedule or needing to purchase their second quarter service if it's a service that you recommend is done quarterly. This is great for things like pest control or tree services or irrigation services, things that are kind of spread out that people might not think about up front, like they don't expect it to happen every single week, that type of service. This is really useful and you can start upselling some customers. I want to show you one other filter that we've added recently that's also a great way to upsell customers. And that is the filter that helps you find clients that have only had one-time jobs of a specific service. So I'm going to add a filter and we'll scroll down. And we'll find the filter that says service frequency. And I'm going to add that. So now we'll do the same thing. I'm going to look for customers that have only had a one-time repair flat rate. Now this is just a generic demo account, so it would potentially make more sense with your specific database full of services. Not many people get reoccurring repairs or anything like that, but for a maintenance example, this is a really great tool. Like let's take the example of residential cleaning. This happens a lot in this industry. You get one-time cleans from people that maybe are getting ready for a party or something like that, and they hire your company to come clean one time. Now you want to upsell them to try to get on a more reoccurring service. And so what you can do is select the service that you want to choose, and then we'll select one time in this selector. And now when I click search, it returns to me the 8 customers that have only got the one-time flat rate job or whatever service you had selected. So now I can send email material or print material, either one, to these customers that promotes reoccurring services and tries to get them to sign up. So this week we'll just do this how-to video. We kind of explain why it's important as well in this video as well. So there's not going to be another video to explain why you should use this. But take advantage of this. Look through the filters, see everything that's there. We're constantly adding things to it, and you'll find some tools within there that are really great and really help you find specific segments of your client list that you want to be reaching out to and trying to upsell to. So, hope this is helpful. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more content like this and other great stuff from Service Autopilot. Thanks for watching.